Welcome back, Mumphy Mafia. Hope you're all doing well. I have a question for you. Do you have a furry friend that you take with you on your camping trips? Well, this is Ruger, and boy, do I have a product that you might be interested in to help save your vehicle from getting scratches. Let's check it out. All right, now, as it says on the box, these are shields for your doors. These are made by ThinSkinz, and this one is for the Tacoma 3rd generation. Let's go ahead and open the box and show you what comes with your order from ThinSkinz. All right, now, as I go ahead and open the box, I will mention that the shipping was relatively quick when I ordered these. ThinSkinz did not send this out to me, but because I saw their product on Instagram, be sure to check them out. I really dig this. Open these up, and both come in plastic. All right, now what else comes in the box? You will get a set of instructions. Probably go ahead and just give those a quick little once over. It does come with a couple of what looks like adhesive backing patches. Take a look at that, but we're here to check out what's in the plastic itself. And as we pull one of the panels out, this looks like the passenger side. You can see that it is kind of a nice plastic material, pretty thin, but it's meant to be just a cover for your actual doors. And this is going to get beat up versus your actual doors. Some of the features on here, you can see that it still has a latch for your window controls. So if you keep these on with passengers in the back, they can still control the windows. You still have the door cutout, and then you have your door handle cutouts. So that way your rear passengers can still access the door handles. Then on the side, you got the ThinSkinz badging molded in there as well. Now, as we flip this over, we'll see that they actually have put some nice felt in some key areas, probably some rub points, touch points between the skin and the door. So I'm pretty excited to get this installed so that way Ruger can fully enjoy his time in the back and I won't have to worry about my doors. Let's go. All right, now, here we are on the driver's side, rear door, passenger door. What we're going to do first is we're going to take this little patch that comes in the kit and we're going to apply that right here on the edge of the door trim and adhere that right up to the corner. I recommend cleaning this off before you do this so that way it attaches. And we're going to take the clear side, we'll fold that back, just kind of like that, and we're going to align it to the edge of this plastic trim on the window side, and as far down as you can go. Now, as you can see, I'm placing that right along the edge here. And I just left a little bit of the round edge kind of overlapping towards the window. And then I'm just going to peel this back. And along there. Along that little trim piece there. So that way it's snug. Right across the rubber padding on the door and along here. It meets right along that edge. Just apply some pressure, make sure that that's clean. And now we're ready to install the door skin. All right, now we're ready to install the door skin. This is just to protect it from install so you're not scratching up this little section here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to align this top lip that runs along the top to the channel along the top of the door. So we're just going to get that in, and it should slide right in. You can run your fingers along the top, and it's that easy. It just slides right on over. And now you still have your window controls and access to the door. Your rear doors are all safe from being scratched up and marred up. And how easy is it to take them off if you need to clean underneath it? Just pull up from the bottom and you can basically just remove it just like that. All right, so what do I think of the ThinSkinz door overlay? Well, I think it's actually a really awesome product, and I'm actually pretty glad that they came out with it. I think it's a much better version than the fabric drape overs that just kind of flop, and I'm not exactly sure how well they actually protect the door. I like the fact that this is molded to fit the door, so that way you can just quickly install it just like that. You can take them off if you don't need them. You can leave them on. It's just one added step for the rear passenger to access the window controls, but they have full access to the door. I think it's a great option. I don't have to worry about any more scratch marks on my door. So if you are interested, they do come in a pair for the rear only. For the Tacomas, they do make them for Jeeps as well. If you are interested in picking up a set, I will link to their website where you can pick them up in the description box below. They are ThinSkinz with a Z. Check them out over on Instagram. I think they only make them for the 3rd gen Tacomas at this time. I'm not sure if they're planning on doing 2nd gen Tacomas, but this is a great option. I'm happy that I purchased these. I think you will too. Let me know down in the comment section below, is this something that you would be interested in picking up? If you haven't already, smash that like button. Let me know what you guys think. But make sure you like this video. Let me know that you want me to make more like this. Make sure that you're subscribed for more videos. Also, check out the Mumphy website, mumphy.us. I am going to be bringing out some new merch, much like this hoodie here pretty soon. It's the tricolor with the yellow, orange, and red in the Mumphy logo. Plus I've got a couple of other designs that I am going to be releasing soon, so be sure to jump over there. And if you want, join the email list. I am going to start doing more email campaigns over there, just letting you know when new stuff drops. And maybe a friendly reminder for videos that come out as well. I greatly appreciate you guys. We are just screaming in subscriber numbers, so thank you again for joining me on all these videos. I've got a ton more to bring you guys, so stay tuned in the future for more and some pretty big installs. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.